All right, it is, I don't even know what day it is, but we're gonna go take out my Ford Ranger. Said you're a little big on that one. Right by my house, there's like a fire road that you can go run up. There's a stream up there right now, and I've seen some pictures, and it's looking pretty sweet. So let's go get the Ranger. All right, got the Ranger, and now we're gonna go rip. It's called Beak Canyon. It's right by my house here in beautiful Hemet, California, so let's get it. Yeah, I literally almost hit the barn. I was in reverse by accident and like punched it. All right, so we just pulled up to like the trailhead. Paul's getting attacked by bees. Well, no wonder, there's a bunch of bee boxes there, but we're gonna go have some fun. So a little bit about Beak Canyon. Starts up here in Hemet, California, and it goes all the way to Idlewild. About 3/4 of the way up, a little bit past that. There is there's like a big stream crossing, usually super cool, and right now there's a ton of, all this rain in SoCal, so I have a feeling the stream crossing is gonna be ripping, so I think that's gonna be our destination. It's kind of like a little oasis. So should be a good time. A few weeks ago we were up here with my dad. My cousin ended up driving her car off like a ledge, so we had to come rescue her at night, and we came up on this, like, luckily we came up on a sheriff's deputy, and he was like stuck, and we were like, oh, like, what's up? He's like, there's this giant hole, like it's like 20 feet deep. I was like, 20 feet deep? What? It's probably like 10. All right, we're almost back to the highway. Got my cousin in the car. We're just gonna have to go get her car tomorrow. But I just want to show you guys, look at this. You can't even see it that well. But this is over 20-foot deep hole. Yeah, you're not gonna believe me. 20-foot deep hole. And there's this little crossing. It's so gnarly. Like, it's scary to even be here. Got up there, but it was just this giant hole in the middle of the road. It was crazy. Well, we just got to the place where the hole was. I'm honestly kind of bummed because I wanted to show you guys, but I'll clip in some, like, I have some iPhone clips from when I first saw this hole. They filled it in. Honestly, good for them, because this thing was insanely dangerous, because you could barely get through it. I was super treacherous, and if you rolled, you're gonna be in this like just pit. It was wild, but at least they filled it in. Said you're a little big on that one. God, Paul.
No, dude, she's still good.
There's no way.
Nah, watch.
That thing just smacked this ground. All right, so we're up here filming, and Paul just goes, and he's like, hey, you see the drone out there? I'm like, oh yeah, you're ripping right next to us. And I'm like, slow down, slow down, slow down. You're going right at the wall. And he just, no way. No way. He literally, so he's flying next to us right here, comes, smokes this bush, grenades, and just all right, road's pretty chewed up right now, but Paul just crashed his drone. That was pretty cool, but we're trucking on. Just started seeing some water, so that's a good sign. I haven't seen water this low in a while, which is good, so we're ripping. I used to do this road like all the time back in the day on quad, dirt bikes, younger, doing it in like off-road, little UTVs and stuff, but honestly haven't been up this way that we're going to this, like, this creek crossing in a long time, so I'm kind of excited. Made it to our little oasis. It's beautiful. The water is ripping right now, so I'm pretty stoked. I'm gonna get out and check this thing out. All right, we might have hit that puddle a little hard. You can hear all the water like running through everything, but she's still ripping. just got out and enjoying the scenery. Figured I'd give you guys a quick walk around. A few things I got done to my Ranger. Pretty stock, but does have a few little upgrades. So as always, starting up front, rigid adapt bar, super cool. So this thing's got a built-in GPS. So as you're driving, the beam changes to more of a spotlight. So the faster you go, the farther it goes. It's honestly a pretty rad feature. We got some KMC wheels with some general grabber X3s. Perfect for up here, you know, getting through these little mud pits and whatnot. These X3s are like a good all-around street, but definitely like perform on the dirt. It's got a Camburg upper arm with a uniball, makes it a little more sturdy, and then some King coilovers to finish off the suspension in the front end. Thing performs really good in this little rough stuff. It's super little sporty little girl. All right, moving to the back, we do have some King shocks here in the back. Besides that, she's pretty stock. One of my favorite features on this truck is this little knob right here. I know it doesn't look like much, but it's a K&N throttle control module. So it's super easy. It's this little box. You plug it in right under the dash, and then you mount this little knob right here, and you're able to adjust the responsiveness of your throttle. So I like a really responsive kind of pipey, like, which on the road it's not really, you know, not ideal because you don't want to be like wah, wah, but up here off-roading, I turn it on full responsiveness, makes the truck a lot more pipey and just a little more playful. And then when I hit the highway, turn her down and she cruises. So honestly, that's probably my favorite thing because it just makes the truck like a lot more playful and it's just like a cool little toy and super easy. Like, it's just plug, play, and you're done. Paul said I wouldn't go swimming in the stream. He's complaining that his feet are cold, so I'm gonna have to show him. Didn't bring any towels or anything, so. It is cold.
Alright, you gotta swim from there to the concrete.
It's not that deep.
Yeah, but you still gotta swim.
It is like throbbing my legs.
Start swimming.
3.
Heat one of the 100 meters freestyle. Three tremendous competitors.
How you feeling?
Cold. It's like your legs just hurt. Like it's not like it's so cold that it hurts. Like it's not even that it's cold anymore. It just hurts. Getting redressed after that polar plunge. It's cold. All snow melt. It was on. I know I looked like a wussy out there, but it was cold. But yeah, we're gonna go keep ripping down the hill, back down the mountain, back home. Quick little day trip.
Get that rock. Oh! Big rock guy.
A big rock, another big rock guy, so.
Rocking.
Getting a little tippy. Alright, so I just got out of the car to look at we were flexing on like this in this rut and I ate it. Dude, what the heck? It's the second time I've fallen in 30 seconds. Trying to back up, get off the ground, walk 3 more feet, and just hard eat it. Like my leg is killing me. I don't know why. And then Paul went and ate it. It's just slippery out there right now. What's that?
What is that?
A snake. I hate snakes.
You don't like snakes. What are all the reasons not to like snakes?
They're out to kill you. Pretty much all of them. Even if they're not out to kill you, they're probably gonna bite you just because they can. They move like extremely weird. I hate the way snakes move. They get all weird, like you see one eat a squirrel, like it shouldn't be able to just eat a squirrel whole. Like that's, no. They're slimy, gross. I mean, they're just unpredictable. Like, yeah, there's really no reason to like them. Not a fan. Snakes in the water, like that is bad. Like that just shouldn't be right. Like snakes should never been allowed in the water. Pretty much not a fan of snakes, if you can tell. All right, gonna end the YouTube video right here. We're just getting back down to the bottom, about to hop back on the asphalt. Hopefully you guys liked it. Just a quick trip, just to get out of the house, do something, take this little Ranger for a rip. This thing's so much fun. It's like a little rally car on these roads, especially the graded ones. It just is. But yeah, cool little swimming hole we found, and now I gotta get back home because I got a big project due tomorrow for Spanish that I haven't started yet. So wish me luck. Comment below what you guys want to see, and then make sure you hit that like, subscribe. I appreciate all your guys' comments and stuff. We're really trying to have fun with this whole thing, and quarantine's making it a little tough, but we're still having a good time. So see you next week.